Hello family! Today we're going to be making caramel crunch protein dessert with PB&B. I know I call these meals desserts, but I wouldn't consider them a dessert. I would consider it like a full meal. It does taste as good as a dessert, but it's a meal. It's usually my breakfast, minus all the, what's it called? Bells and whistles. So yeah, I hope you like it. I really love it. Definitely high in protein, obviously, but I mean, there's a lot of good things here. There's chia seeds, there's Greek yogurt, which is a probiotic. There's like a lot of good things here. So let's just get into it. You're gonna need a caramel or cinnamon flavored protein powder, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or almond butter in this case, a 1/4 cup of kefir, 1 banana, a cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a measuring cup to measure the kefir and the Greek yogurt. Okay, so and also a bowl and a knife for the banana. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 1 scoop of protein powder. I usually like to overdo the scoop, I'm not gonna lie, because protein powder I think is really good for you. So if it's a heaping scoop, that's fine by me. Go ahead and do what you want to do. As for the type of protein powder to use, I personally like the brand Nutra one. They're not sponsoring this video, unfortunately. I considered reaching out to them, but I figured it'd be too much work. But you definitely want a protein powder that tastes good. That is crucial. Not all protein powders are made equal. I'm just saying. I highly recommend whey protein powder. I can't really vouch for any other type, especially not the vegan ones. I've been burned before. So anyway, you want to put the protein powder first. That's really important so that it mixes really easily. If you put it last or just, after the yogurt and the kefir, it's going to be a bit more messy when you try to mix it around. So put the protein powder first, as you saw me do. And now we're going to mix it all up. And as you see, I have a special type of bowl because on its own, if I were to just, usually when I eat this like every day. I just do protein powder, kefir, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds, and I kind of mix it all in one. And I'll usually use like a regular size standard bowl for that, and it fits. It's kind of full, but it fits. But once you add the fruit and the peanut butter, you kind of need a bit more space. I keep forgetting we're using almond butter this time. I kind of regret using the almond butter, not gonna lie. I like the peanut butter more, but I wanted to try something different. So yeah, you want a bigger bowl to have everything fit comfortably, and if it has a larger surface area, even better, because then you can really decorate, which you will see. This recipe decorates very nicely, I'm just saying. But yeah, so mix. If you're stopping here, I would have added the chia seeds with the protein powder, and that on its own is a great meal. But we're going all the way today. We are getting our banana and we're slicing it long first. Okay, I guess we're not slicing it long. What was that even about? Okay, so we're not slicing it long. Sometimes I slice it long first, then I slice it, like circles so that they come out as half circles. I guess I wasn't feeling that today. But that's fine, I think the circles kind of look better anyway. So we're slicing. So it seems like I did slice lengthwise off camera. Yeah, I don't know anymore. But so now that everything's sliced and diced and whatever, we're gonna carefully place the bananas on one side of the bowl. The bananas should kind of take up about like half the bowl. But if it's a little bit less, whatever. We're just trying to go for abundance. We're trying to go for bounty. We're trying to go for like, I have bananas to spare. That's what we're going for. So, take your time. I definitely feel like oftentimes in the busy world that we live in, we don't take enough time to make our food beautiful. And I'm sure it's scientifically proven that like aesthetically pleasing food tastes better. So, do yourself a favor and make sure it looks really cute, Take a photo, put it on Instagram, link my channel, give me some credit. You know what I mean? Upgrade your life. It's I guess it's not completely free, but you know, time is money or whatever. Anyway, now we're gonna lightly dust the chia seeds. Dust. Every time I do this, I feel so silly, but like you dust the chia seeds right along the side of the bananas. I always love the way this comes out. I just feel like it's so pretty. So after that, we're gonna take our almond butter in this case. Not gonna lie, you should just go ahead and do peanut butter, but if you like almond butter, do that too. You can do that too. Yeah, we're just gonna take the almond butter and squeeze it out. When I first did this recipe, and every time I do this recipe now, I usually just use regular peanut butter and it kind of comes out in like chunks. And I feel like it gives it even more of like a rustic feel, like, you know, like it just raw, like, you know, real ingredients, you know? So, yeah, we're just gonna spread out the almond butter or peanut butter, whatever you have on hand. And that's pretty much it, you know? This is the finished product. Super cute, you know. Oh, it looks like some of the almond butter kind of got on the chia seeds. I don't think that was my intention, but still super cute, you know. I'm proud of it. Here's the price per meal breakdown and the nutrition facts. I hope you guys like this recipe. Comment what you think. Like it if you like it. Unlike it if you don't like it. And then subscribe always. You know, share and all those things. Have a great day. I'm leaving you now, okay? Bye.